Okay. So now I will write a sentence on the board, right? Rahul gave Maya a book. Okay, can you read it? Rahul gave Maya a book. Now, in this sentence, we need to note the verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. So, in this sentence, gave is the verb because that is the action word. Okay, in this sentence, gave is the action word. Now, what is the subject of the sentence? So, this is the verb. This is the verb. Now, what is the subject in this sentence? So, how can we identify the subject? Subject is identified based on this verb, means doer of the action. Doer of the action is the subject. So what is the action here? Gave. So what should we ask it? Who gave? Isn't it? Who gave? Who gave something to Maya? Yeah, Rahul, isn't it? Right? So the action word here is gave, and the person who did that action is Rahul, and so Rahul is the subject of the sentence. What is Rahul? Rahul is the subject of the sentence because Rahul is the person who did the action of giving. Now, when Rahul gave it, somebody receives it, no? Somebody receives it, or the action of giving resulted onto somebody, or we can simply ask whom was it given? To whom was it given? Rahul gave a book to whom? Rahul gave a book to whom? Maya, isn't it? So, Maya is the receiver of the action giving done by the subject Rahul. So, Maya is called the object of the sentence. Right? Maya is called the object of the sentence. Now, Rahul gave Maya a book. In the sentence, gave is the verb, Rahul is the subject, Maya is the object. Okay, means nouns can be used as a subject and object in a sentence. We can use different nouns as both a subject and object in a sentence. Subject is nothing else but the doer of the action mentioned in the sentence, and object is the receiver of the action. Right? Receiver of the action mentioned in the sentence. Right? Now, what we need to note is that we can use personal pronouns as both subject and object. Okay? So, I'll make a table, and with examples we will do it. Right? So, as we did the previous one, here we have a person as a subject, as an object. Okay, so now we'll start with the first person. Okay, in first person we have two, which are they? I and we. Isn't it? I and we are there. So if we simply say I gave my friend a book. Isn't it? So when we use the first person, mostly the same word will be used as the first person or the subject of the sentence. Not only first person, every person. Okay? So we can simply write I. If somebody gave it to me, for example, my friend gave to me a book. So here we used me, isn't it? Gave is the verb again. My friend is the doer, subject. Gave is the verb. Me is the object. Okay. So when we use first personal pronoun I as a subject, first personal pronoun I is used as a subject and me is used as an object. Me. Okay. When we want to use we, we simply say we gave him a book. We gave him a book. If, for example, say for you brother, you and your brother, your father brought something. My father, what do we say? My father brought us some toys, isn't it? Here, what do you mean by this us? You and your brother. We played with the toys. So we played with the toys means we are used as a subject and us is used as the object. Okay? Is it clear? When we use the first personal pronoun, I is used as a subject and its object is me. Is it? Me. We is used as a subject and us is an object. Clear? Now we will check the same with the second person. Right? So what is the second personal pronoun? What is the second personal pronoun? Yes, it's a you. You. When we use you as a subject, we can say you play with me. You play with me. Okay. So you is directly used as a subject. You is directly used as a subject. But when we say I will give you a gift, when we say I will give you a gift, here will give is a verb, I is the subject and you is the object. Right? You is the object. So when it comes to the second person, there is no difference in between the subject and the object. Both are you itself. Okay? When it comes to the second person, both the subject and the object are you itself. Now we have the third person. Third person. Which are the third persons? He, she, it and they. He, she, it and they are the third personal pronouns. Now shall we write some sentences where we use the third personal pronouns as both the subject and object? Where third personal pronoun can be used as a subject and object. He gave her a gift. gave her a gift. See, he is directly used as the subject. When we say she gave him a gift, she gave him a gift. Here again, gave is used as, it's not to create confusion, okay? I'm not changing the verb. Gave is the verb, she is the subject, him is the object. Isn't it? Him is the object, and that is the objective form of a third personal pronoun he. He is used as a subject, him is used as the object. Now, look here. She is directly used as a subject. So, she can be used as she itself, and here he gave her a gift. So, her is the objective form of he. Sorry, she. Okay? Now, it. It is my pen. It is my pen, where it is used as a subject. Or if I say, I gave it a kick. Sorry, K-I-C-K. Right? I gave it a kick. I found the ball on the floor. I gave it a kick. So here, gave is the verb, I is the subject, it is the object. Isn't it? So it has both subject and object, it itself. Right? Now we have one more, that is a they. So how do we use they as a subject in a sentence? How do we use they as a subject in a sentence? So they are my friends. They are my friends, in which they is used directly as a subject. So we write it over there and we say, I gave them a party. I gave them a party. Now, in this, again, gave is the verb, I is the subject, and them is the object. Okay? Them is the object, and that is the objective type of a they. Clear? Now, have a look at this. Personal pronouns can be used as both subject and object in a sentence. Personal pronouns can be used as both subject and object in a sentence. First personal pronoun I is used directly as I in a sentence as a subject, and when we use it as object, it becomes me. We, the second one in the first personal pronoun, when we use it as a subject, we use we directly, and when we use it as an object, then it becomes us. Second personal pronoun you is both used as a subject and object in the same way. He, when used as a subject, we use directly he, it becomes him when we use it as an object. She is directly she as a subject, and when we use it as an object, it becomes her. Then, it is same for both the subject and object. They is used they in a subject and them in a object.